Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Thumbtack Pro for lead quality and payouts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Thumbtack Pro. Press enter to navigate to the home page. Once the page loads, locate the login button. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the login button. If your information is correct, you'll be taken to your Thumbtack Pro dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see tabs that allow you to check lead quality. To assess lead quality, navigate to the Leads section. Here, you can review past leads and their performance metrics. Look for indicators such as response rates and customer feedback. This information will help you gauge the quality of the leads you receive. Next, to check payouts, find the Payouts tab on your dashboard. Click on it to access detailed information regarding your earnings. You will see a summary of your earnings, including any pending payouts. Review each payout for accuracy and timelines. If you have any concerns or discrepancies, follow the prompts for support. To log out, return to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you've successfully logged in and navigated Thumbtack Pro. Now you can manage leads and track your earnings with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.